I believe the BJP, which is known to make non-issues into issues, are discussing my hands. This will certainly not work.
Okay, we have a breaking news coming in after Pandian's hand grab incident. The Prime Minister says that he will probe Patnaik's health and he's promised a special committee in Odisha. The Prime Minister said, and I quote, "Is there any lobby behind this?" That's the big statement which has come from the side of the Prime Minister. All right, Ankit is joining us from the newsroom. Ankit, over to you. Take us through the Prime Minister's statement, please.
So, PM Modi has tweeted from his official handle, "Every well-wisher of Naveen Babu is worried about the sudden deterioration of his health in the last year. Is there any lobby behind this?" the Prime Minister asks. Then he says, "After our government is formed in Odisha, a special committee will be formed to investigate this issue and bring out the complete truth." So the Prime Minister remarking on that video where Naveen Patnaik was seen with tremors in his hands and the Pandian grabbing his hand and moving it behind the dais. And so the politics on this is continuing and escalating.
Right, and it can't get bigger than this. The Prime Minister himself commenting on the incident. Let's listen in, viewers, to what the Prime Minister exactly had to say.
साथियों, आजकल नवीन बाबू के सभी शुभचिंतक बहुत चिंता में है। वो ये देखकर बहुत परेशान है कि पिछले एक साल में अचानक नवीन बाबू की तबीयत इतनी कैसे बिगड़ गई। बरसों से नवीन बाबू के करीबी रहे लोग अब जब मुझसे मिलते हैं तो जरूर नवीन बाबू की तबीयत की चर्चा करते हैं। वो बताते हैं कि नवीन बाबू अब खुद से कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे हैं। अरसे तक नवीन बाबू के करीबी रहे लोगों का मानना है कि उनकी तबीयत बिगड़ने के पीछे
Okay, so that's the statement which has come from the side of the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister, of course, hitting out and basically saying that he's even going to probe really this entire incident of fiasco. Mohit Bhatt is joining us live on the broadcast. Mohit, this is a rather unusual controversy, of course, in the middle of polls. The battle obviously is heating up. BJP basically claims that Naveen Patnaik's aide Pandian was not only grabbing his hand, which was trembling, it's literally they are interpreting it as a power grab far as the BJP is concerned. Take us through the war of words between the two parties, and especially now that the Prime Minister has waded into it, the controversy, of course, has escalated manifold.
Meenakshi, you see, BJP has been saying this, that it's not Naveen Patnaik as of now who is in the charge of the affairs, what is happening in Odisha. It's VK Pandian, ex-bureaucrat from Tamil Nadu, who is handling the day-to-day affairs in Odisha government. And they have been attacking VK Pandian earlier too. They have basically stated that Naveen Patnaik is ill, he's not keeping well, and the government is being run by VK Pandian. Now, a video came out, Meenakshi, and in that particular video, we saw that how when Naveen Patnaik was speaking, his one hand was shivering, and VK Pandian noticed that and he put his hand behind the dais. Now after that, we have seen many of the BJP leaders have come out and they have put out that particular video attacking VK Pandian, saying that they're worried about the health of Naveen Patnaik, and VK Pandian it seems like he's running the show when it comes to Odisha. And this is not the first time just after this video. Earlier also we have seen the likes of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah. They have been attacking VK Pandian, saying that it's VK Pandian who is running the government in Odisha, given the fact that how Naveen Patnaik is not keeping well, he's not going to the public meetings so much, but VK Pandian is running the show in Odisha. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi today, while addressing a rally in Odisha, also stated that it's distressing to see the condition of Naveen Patnaik. Every well-wisher of Naveen Patnaik is concerned about his health, and when they come to power in Odisha, PM said they will form a high-level committee to look into all these details, that in past 1 year, the health of Naveen Patnaik has deteriorated. So clearly a very strong attack coming in on VK Pandian, and BJP is also hinting that it's VK Pandian who is behind the sudden deterioration declaration of health
Pandian
of
says the
Naveen
BJP,
Patnaik.
Mohit, as obviously claimed by the BJP who's running the show in Odisha, but obviously it must be underlined that Naveen Patnaik and the BJD have dismissed all these charges by the BJP. War of words obviously continuing rather